Here are a couple links to help review regular multiplication of whole numbers. In this video, watch to see an example of multiplying decimals. What is the same as we've been doing and what is different?
The question is, could a magnitude estimate make this easier? Think about that for a minute. Pause if you need to. Yes, a magnitude estimate would make this easier because it would help you to decide where to put the decimal place. So if I multiply this, 7 times 3 is 21. 6 times 3 is 18, 19, 20. Put my 0, I call him Bob, to hold my place. I've done this one, now I'm going to do the 5. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 6 is 30. 31, 32, 33. That's my answer without the decimal. If I had my estimate, this would be 7 times 5 is 35. So I put my decimal in to make it closest to 35. So my answer would be 35.51. This one says make a magnitude estimate. 3.7 is closest to 4. 6.2 is closest to 6. 6 times 4 is 24, so my magnitude estimate is 24. If I work the problem out, 7 and 7 is 14. 3 and 3 is 6, 7. Bob, 0 at the second row. 7 times 6 is 42. Use 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 4, 9, 2, 2. So I have 2, 2, 9, 4 for my answer. And I have to make that closest to 24. So I'd have to put my decimal here. 22 and 94 hundredths. So it says that you can look at page 38 and 39 in your SRB, your student reference book, your hardcover book. Here's the rules to help you with it. That's what we just practiced. First, make a magnitude estimate. And let's do that. 1.3 is closest to 1. We already have the 5. 1 times 5. So my magnitude estimate is 5. Then it says multiply the numbers as though they were whole numbers. Then use the magnitude estimate as a guide to inserting the decimal point at the correct spot. 0.3. Multiply them like they're not a decimal, it says. Times 3 is 15. 5 times 1 is 5, 6. The closest way to get that close to 5 is by putting a decimal here. So my answer is 6.5. You try it on this problem. And pause and do that, and then try it with this check, with this sheet. 3.4 is closest to 3. 4.6 is closest to 5. So my magnitude estimate is 15. We're going to multiply it like it says here. I still like to put my decimals in there so I can see them. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 3 is 18, 19, 20. Start the next row with the 0, because it's the tens. I did this one. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 3 is 12, 13. Add this part. make it closest to 15. The decimal has to go here, so the answer is 15.64. On this page, journal page 51, they're only going to have you do the magnitude estimates and then put your answer and circle which of the boxes it goes in. So let's do one together. The first one is 2.4 times 63. So 2.4 is closest to 2 times 63. That would be closest to 60. 60 times 2. 6 times 2 is 12. With 1 0 on the end. 120. So it would be in the 100s. You try the rest of them. And take a picture of your work. Or send it on the Google form if I sent that to you.